So now for my demonstration, I'm going to walk you through how I hacked into the Windows 10 target machine using Thefatrat. Mm. So here I have run nmap to scan, and I'm on the Thefatrat directory. I have already installed the Thefatrat because it will take time like 8 to 10 minutes to install, and I don't want to make my video longer, so I'm just running the Thefatrat. And my IP address is current IP address is 192.168.234.165, and my Windows target machine IP address is 192.168.234.166. So this is the Thefatrat is open in a minute. Uh, so we have to create a file, a backdoor file. First of all, we have to create a backdoor file. So we have a Thefatrat menu here. Now we have to create a vector file. So we are probably going with, we can select any suitable for the Windows. So suitable for the Windows is Ford vector with the PWN, which has excellent rate of exploitation and getting the access. So we are selecting uh, six option six, and we are creating and there is many options, and you can see create vector with TCP, and then here metasploit staging pool, everything. But we are going with the Apache because uh, we are sharing our Apache server on the same network, and then we are accessing through our target machine and downloading file and gaining the access. So we are selecting that, so it will be safe for us. So it's our allows IP is my IP address, my Kali IP address 192.168.234.165. So the port we are going the TCP port is will be, we can choose any of these. So we are exploiting the RPC, and that's why we can choose any of these. Any of these it will work because it's all RTCP, and these are all open, and we can choose any. So what I'm gonna choose is 49669. So I will just like 49669, and then output file I will just say PAY payload, and then I will choose most commonly we can choose anything, but since we are using the reverse TCP, I'm choosing 3. So this is how the payload.exe file is created uh, using the Thefatrat. Okay, the Thefatrat.exe file is stored inside root and then inside Thefatrat generated. So click the continue. Now we have to create a Word file and then merge the earlier created payload file uh, with the Word file. So we have to go to the menu, and there we can find various options. So our option is create backdoor for copies with micro exploit. So our 7 hour option will be 7. So here we can find Microsoft Office macro on Windows. So our target machine is Windows. So we are selecting this option 2. If your target machine is Apple or something, you can Mac operating system or something, you can press one to our Kali machine 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, and port is the earlier 59669 and then base output, and you can give any name, but since I've given evil talk on the report, I'll just write evil AOC, and then we can write anything. The message I will write you don't have been PW NED. Just write this one, and then we have to create a costume exe file. So yes, so the target will be on the root on the fat generated payload.exe. Okay, exe. So this should be our file. So we are using metadata reverse TCP. So I'm selecting option 3. So here, so it shouldn't take time, but sometimes it takes time. But uh, so now, okay, so the backdoor is created here. So now we have to set up a listener. So we are using MSF console to gain the metadata system, and then so we are using multi-handler, and we are using the TCP, reverse TCP. So we are using reverse TCP. We'll be using Kali IP address, so Kali IP address, and we'll be using the port 49669. So we will be using port. So we can run this one. Okay, so the reverse TCP handle is started. So again, so we have to share our payload file created in the Apache server. So we have to first of all um, copy the uh, file which is in the root, because the root we cannot share root file root the file present in the root. We have to share to the www.html folder, and from there we can do the share the file through Apache server. So our command will be cp root html share. Okay, so sudo cp html share. So Kali. So it's copied under the HTML file server, HTML share. So now we have to start service Apache to start. So okay, so it started. So it's asking Kali passport. So okay, so now it's all set up. Now we have to go to the target machine, and we have to check if it is there or not. So we'll say yes, TTP this one 65 share. Okay, it's there. So we can download this one. Let's download it, and okay. I don't know why. Okay, now this is uh, our Word file. Uh, so the user who are unknown about the things will obviously click enable editing, and then the they will also click like to be able to view the content. They will select the enable content. So after doing this, the payload will execute, and then you can see here the session is started. Right. Mm, okay. Okay. Mm, Thefatrat, MSF cons. Okay, so the metabeta session is started. So you can write dir, it will open up. So this is how I hacked into the system using payload, which I created using the fat track. So this will be my demo. So you can see dir, again dir, you can see cd, okay, you can see cd slash dot. It will go like you can say dir. So it will open up here. So you can go to anything. You can go to desktop. You can go to anywhere and do everything whatever you can because you have already installed the system. So yeah, this is how I hack. And so my demonstration will be over. So for the conclusion, remote code execution vulnerability exists due to complex software, coding errors, or rapid development, interconnected system. The the consequences can be severe because and then we have to make our that's why we have to make our system less vulnerable by using a strong firewall policies and a strong antivirus also. So yeah, this is how I conclude my presentation, and these are the reference I took uh, to help me forward with uh, my project. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to present this video. And your class is very extraordinary, and I'm very thankful for your classes. Thank you, sir.